What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. So today I want to answer your question. What is Amazon FBA? So many people have been asking me lately to do a video, to do an article, do something to explain what Amazon FBA is. Why is it better than eBay, than selling on Craigslist, and selling on any other platform? Okay, so that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to explain what is Amazon FBA, how is it better than selling on other platforms, and why I recommend it. Okay, so let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you right now exactly what is Amazon FBA, how it works, and why you should be doing it too. So actually, before I jump into the computer, I want to ask you one thing. Now, if you want more videos on Amazon FBA and the more beginner stages of it, how to get your business going, then make sure you hit that thumbs up button and comment down below. Just comment and say interested. That's it. And I'll start creating more videos on the more basic stuff rather than the more advanced stuff. Okay, I'll be trying to mix them all in. Okay, so if that's what you want, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. All right, so now that we're over on my computer, I want to show you something. Okay, so the first link in the description box below, it's going to be a link to this. This is my Amazon FBA for Beginners YouTube playlist. Has a bunch of videos on just getting started, having some success, and that sort of thing. So go and check that out. After this video, go and check that out, or click on the card up in the corner above. So let's jump into what is Amazon FBA. You have probably seen this before. Okay, I'm gonna explain this kind of quickly, but then I'm gonna explain to you the benefits to it. So make sure you stick around for this entire video, because it's gonna cover why FBA, what it stands for, and why it is better. So FBA, you can see it right here. It stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This is how it works. Let me walk you through the steps. First off, you get the products. So over here, what you would do is you would get the products. So let's say you get some water or something. You get just cases of water. Okay, what would happen is you would go and you'd source it from, let's say, a wholesaler, some manufacturer, or maybe from a local retail store such as Walmart. You buy something from Walmart and you send those products to Amazon. Amazon then holds your inventory. Okay, so as the longer your inventory sits, Amazon will charge you, a little bit for their storage fees. So Amazon stores all your inventory. You don't have to do anything now. And then when a customer purchases your product, so let's say June from Florida decides she wants to buy my water. Okay, so Amazon would go and pick my inventory out of their inventory warehouse, and they would pick it and pack it up and ship it off to the customer. When the Amazon ships the products to the customer, you get paid. Okay, simple enough, right? This is the reason why I like FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is because once you send it off to Amazon, you're done. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. It will start to sell. Okay, granted, it's a good selling product, has a decent rank, and again, those are more things that I will talk about in future videos, or go watch my Amazon FBA for Beginners playlist. So let's jump over here to Amazon itself. Here we are on Amazon.com. Why are we here? The reason why we're here on Amazon.com is I want to explain to you the benefits of Amazon FBA versus eBay versus merchant fulfilled, which you can do right here on Amazon, but the only difference is you ship the products. You ship them to the customers. Okay, so let's say you bought this My Little Pony the movie Cutie Mark collection. Okay, let's say you bought it for $17, $17.95, whatever it is. Okay, and you're gonna sell it for $44.99. With eBay or with most other marketplaces, what you sell it at minus the little fees. Okay, so eBay thinks so at 10%. So minus the fees put you at like $40. Minus $17 would put you at $23 profit. Then you'd still have to ship the product to the customer, right? With Amazon, you sell it at $44.99. You get charged the fees. And I'm going to show you what the fees actually add up to on a product of this size and of that cost. But so Amazon will then ship it off to the customer. You will get your money minus fees, and that's it. Okay, just minus fees, because Amazon doesn't care what you pay for it. Okay, so let's go over and look at the cost. Okay, so right here. So I'm actually going to do, so you can see the numbers right here. Let me explain it, because these are not accurate. I'm going to explain that to you in just a second. But let's say you're selling the product at $44.99, and it cost you $17.95. You can see it down here to buy. Okay, so here are the fees for Amazon. Amazon chart, you can see the fee right here. Okay, these are the selling fees. So if we click on this, the Amazon referral fee is $6.75. Okay, you can see it over here. Amazon referral fee is $8.10, and it's based on the price. So price plus shipping, and the price right here. Okay, so here's where FBA comes in. Here is the FBA price, fulfillment by Amazon fees. Okay, so they charge 17 cents for monthly storage, and then the fulfillment fee was $5.47. Okay, so this is a fee you don't have to pay if you do merchant fulfilled, which means you house all the products, and when somebody buys it, you ship it off to the customer. Okay, here is where things get a little tricky. This is what most people don't do right. They come to this Amazon FBA fee calculator, put in all the information, and they think, okay, I'm gonna make $27 down here, $27.93 if I fulfill it myself, versus whether I send it off to Amazon and they fulfill the order. So I make $14 extra, right? No. Here's what most people don't do. If you click on this button, it says monthly storage, labor, packing material, okay, ship to customer, and customer service. Let's say your packing material costs you $1, okay? Let's say shipping to the customer costs you something that is 15 by 13 by 3 inches roughly, 1.5 pounds. Let's say it costs you $11, okay? So there we go. Let's factor that in. So here we are. So let's pull up a calculator. All right, there we got a calculator. Let's bring it down a little bit if we can. Okay, so we got a calculator. So the difference is $15.93 minus $13.80. So the difference is you're going to make $2.13 extra by fulfilling the order yourself. Here's the reason why I hate this business model, is because this money is tied to your time. This one right here isn't. Okay, so let's say you have 200 items you have to ship off. Or let's say you have 10 items you have to ship off in a day. Let's say it takes you about 10 minutes to do it. So if every single item takes you 10 minutes and you have 10 different orders to do every single day, that is 100 minutes of your time. Okay, so let's multiply that by 10 times 10. Okay, so that's 100 minutes of your time. So is that an hour and 40 minutes? So an hour and 40 minutes. Okay, let's say divide that by 1.75. So that would roughly mean you're getting paid $12 an hour to fulfill orders. Okay, that's horrible, right? So why would somebody want to start an Amazon business but not do FBA? Now, honestly, the only reason why I believe people should do your own fulfillment is, one, if the product is something that you do not want in the warehouse. Okay, that could be something like it's hazmat. It could be something that maybe Amazon says it's a slow seller, so they just don't accept it. It could be something as simple as the item is so expensive, you don't want to ship it off to Amazon and something happened to it. So you hold the item and you fulfill it yourself. The fourth reason why is because, and this is the only time I do fulfillment, my own fulfillment, is right around Christmas time, right around Q4, where sales are just spiking. I will take items that I know I can flip almost instantly. I will list them on Amazon as I will fulfill it myself, so merchant fulfilled. And once it sells, I send it in to the customer. And usually I make a little bit less by doing this, but at the same time, I'm getting more sales, and I don't have to wait the week, 2, 3 weeks for the items to get into Amazon's system that you would have to if you do fulfillment by Amazon, okay, FBA, okay? So let's go back to the picture really quick. So this is the reason why I do Amazon FBA, is because once you are done, once you source the products, you send it off to Amazon, you are done. That's it, okay? So is it really worth, let's go back to our calculator. I think it was like $2.13. So $2.13, I believe, is what the price difference was. So is it really worth $2.13 of your time to store the inventory, okay, to pack up the products when it sells, okay, right here, to go find it and pack it up and then ship it off to the customer and maybe take it to the post office, to UPS or FedEx. Okay. Is it worth $2.13? In my opinion, no, it's not. So this is why I love Amazon FBA. Is because you have the ability to send in hundreds, thousands, millions of products if you want to. And Amazon will store it all. Yes, you do have to pay your fees. Okay, so you got to pay your fees right here. You got to pay your monthly storage. Okay, so if your product, and this is why I say if your products are sitting for too long, you will eventually start to lose a little bit of profit. Okay, you will start to lose money at some point. That's why I like to turn my inventory over quickly. I prefer to turn my inventory over every single month. If I can do it twice in a month, great, that's what I'll do. If I can do 15 sales of a certain product every single day, great, that's what I want to do. Okay, but you have to get there. So hopefully this video kind of explained what Amazon FBA is, why I believe it's better than eBay, Craigslist, doing merchant fulfilled. You can see right here, it's almost going to be the exact same thing. The other benefit to doing FBA is you can charge more. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, so we come over here, let's go look at all the different sellers. Okay, so right here we're going to look at all the different sellers. So you can see right here, or let's just go here. Okay, for new, right there. Okay, new, they're selling it at $38.89. Amazon, when Amazon had it in stock, was selling it at $40.10. You see the difference right there? Amazon was at $40.10 and the new offer was at $32.89. So just by doing FBA, you can usually sell your products for more. You can get a higher profit margin. So you don't have to deal with shipping, okay, shipping to individual customers. You don't have to deal with packing your products up, okay. You don't have to deal with, there's a lot of stuff you don't have to deal with, but so you don't have to deal with, trying to compete with the people that are also charging shipping, like this person, $39.99 plus $69 for shipping. You don't have to deal with that. Okay? Yeah, you might have to pay taxes, but that's something a lot of people do anyway. So just look at this as Amazon FBA is a great business to get into. Okay? This video, I'm not trying to explain how do you get into it. Okay? I'm just trying to explain what is Amazon FBA. How is it better than your other options? That's really it. Okay, you can come here, look at this image. It explains it very well. The only difference is it's missing one thing of you're sourcing your products. And Amazon doesn't care how you get them. They just want to know you're getting real, legitimate products, okay, authentic products. You're sending them in, and Amazon's doing the rest. That's it. So if you guys have questions on this, let me know down in the comment section below. But again, like I said earlier in the video, hit that thumbs up button and also comment down below. Just write interested. That is it. If you want more videos on the basics of Amazon FBA, sourcing products, scanning products, okay, packaging, different things like that, networking, getting out there, finding wholesale suppliers, finding, a private label product, the different sourcing options, the different software that I use, all that stuff. Hit that thumbs up button and also comment interested. Let me know that you're interested so I can do more videos on that stuff. I know lately I've been doing a lot of more advanced stuff, and that's great for some people, but if that's not great for you, let me know. If enough people are interested, I'm gonna start doing videos on more basic stuff like I used to do 2 and 3 years ago. Okay, so again, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, say you're interested. If you have yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video.